Hey everyone, today I'm gonna talk about one of the best online design tool, what is called DesignEvo. Yeah, this DesignEvo is an alternative of Canva.com. You can make a logo, professional logo with a raw file, and you can use that files and everywhere. DesignEvo is a free online logo maker where has a 7,000 templates that anyone can use to make a professional logo, unique logo within few seconds. If you don't have an account, so you can create an account. Already I have made an account in here. So now I'm going to design a logo for my website. This is my website. Already I have made a logo for this one, so I would like to make another one for this website. Okay, let's do it. And how you can make a logo. First, I'm going to check my logo, whatever I have did, check it out from here. Then I have made one for my blog, for my YouTube blog, and for my this logo is a design for my website. This is a logo is for design for YouTube thumbnail, and this is another logo. This another logo. I have used this logo, and I have used this logo one. So now I'm going to make another one. This logo is for TV channel, TV crime channel. So now I'm going to make another one.
Okay, I just want to use this one, and you can write your logo name. My logo name should be CEO.
Logo, and you can customize and whatever you want. You can change the icon, you can change the color. Then I would like to change the color from here, this one I'd like to change, and then okay, green should be color should be changed. Now you can change your logo name and slogan name, whatever you want. And you can also charge from here and globe to want to use a globe icon here, because you know that news always goes faster than any other newspaper or other sources. So that's why around us, so that's why I would like to use globe icon here. Then write a globe icon. So I'd like to use a globe icon here. Just click the delete icon and write, and you can customize. And I'm just going to use, okay, this is the middle option. This is the middle. When you see the line, then it's now staying on the middle. So, and you can change the color, and because this color is not suitable for this background, so I want to change the color. This one I have already changed the color, and you can change this icon if you want. And I want to change the slogan, because I just want to use this this one, the same, the first and last and bottom and top. This is my icon. And now, and you can get also shape button. If you would think that you have a shape, you would like to use the shape on here on this logo, then you can find out it, and just a line or banner or symbol, just write a symbol.
After completing your video, then you have to go for downloading, and then after click on the downloading, then I see that one. And if you would like to get the raw file, then you have to pay the about $50, and you can pay the amount from your card and from your PayPal account. Okay. And okay, have a coupon code that I'm using the coupon code. And when you have a first is the logo. Okay, now I'm going to download this GIF format. Okay, got it, and click on here, and we have got also the font details and which font already we have used for the logo. Noto serif and often we already use the 3 fonts for my logo, and you will get the high resolution pictures and you will get the logo transparent. Okay, check it out. And logo, this one, okay, this is my logo and it's really good resolution. Zoom it out, zoom, quality is really good, this quality is really good. Zoom and details, 5000 width and 5000 height, really good resolution. And about 1 MB, the high resolution. This is another high resolution PNG format. This is the JPG format, and also transparent format. Wow, successfully we have designed a logo for our newsletter site. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you think that my video is really helpful for you, so share the video on your timeline wherever you want.